Good morning, students. In this session, we will learn about what you mean by a homogeneous linear differential equation and solution of homogeneous linear differential equation. Homogeneous linear differential equation is also called as the Cauchy's homogeneous linear differential equation. Let me know what do you mean by homogeneous linear differential equation. Look here. A differential equation is of the form a0 x to the power of n dny by dx to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 dn minus 1 y divided by dx to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 into dn minus 2 y divided by dx to the power of n minus 2 plus so on. A and y is equal to f of x. So this equation is called homogeneous linear differential equation or Cauchy's homogeneous linear differential equation of nth order, where a0, a1, a2, so on up to an are all constants and f of x is a function of x. Next, solution of homogeneous linear differential equation. Consider homogeneous linear differential equation as equation number 1. Reduce this differential equation to linear differential equation with constant coefficients using the substitution x is equal to e power z. Taking log on both sides, we have log x is equal to log e power z. So base and therefore it becomes z. Then differentiate z with respect to x, we have dz by dx is equal to log x differentiation is 1 by x. Then dy by dx is equal to, we can write as dy by dz into dz by dx is equal to dy by dz into dz by dx is 1 by x. Therefore, dy by dz is equal to x into dy by dx. Here I take an x to left hand side. So, this left hand side we have dy by dz is equal to x into dy by dx. Consider this as equation number 2. In the similar way, d square y by dx square we can write as d by dx of dy by dx. That is, we have got dy by dx as in the equation number 2, that is 1 by x into dy by dz. I substitute here and then 1 by x into d by dx. Here differentiation chain rule. First function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. So here I consider 1 by x as first function, dy by dx is second function. Therefore, 1 by x into differentiation of dy by dz plus dy by dz into differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by x into d square y by, we can write this as d square y by dz square into dz by dx, because z is a function of x also. Therefore, again we have to differentiate z. Minus, here plus into minus is minus 1 by x square into dy by dz is equal to 1 by x into d square y by dz square. Dz by dx, we have got dz by dx as 1 by x. Therefore, substitute here 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dy by dz into d square y by dx square. So, that implies we can take d square y by dx square is common sorry, this is, so we have 1 by x square is common into d square y by dx dz square minus dy by dz. So this is not is there. That implies d square y by dz square is equal to d square y by dz square minus dy by dx is equal to x square, take left hand side. So this is the starting equation. We have x square into d square y by dx square. Consider that is equation number 3. Next, look here, we have to denote x into d by dx, that is equal to d by dz. We have got, look here, x in the equation number, x into d by dx is equal to d by dz, right, is equal to d. We have to denote that one as capital D. Therefore equation number 1 becomes, equation number 1, what is the equation number 1? This. So therefore from equation 1, x into dy by dx is equal to dy, right? So we can write this as equation. This is from equation 2. Next, from equation 2, x square d square y by dx square is equal to d square y minus dy. This is equation number 3. Actually, this is equation number 3. From this equation number 3, x square d square y by dx square is equal to, this is equal to d square y by dz square, means d square y minus dy is equal to d. Take that common, d into d minus y into y. So therefore, look at this, x into dy by dx is capital D into y, x square into d square y by dx square is d into d minus 1 into y. Therefore, for the third derivative, cube, x cube into d cube y by dx cube, d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y. Similarly, we can write for the nth term, x to the power of n into dny by dx to the power of n is equal to d into d minus 1 into d minus 2, so on up to d minus of n minus 1. That n minus 1 multiply with the minus sign, we have minus n plus 1 into y, right? Next, substituting these values in equation 1. So substituting these values in equation 1, we have a naught into, this is, we have the nth term in the equation number 1, a naught into x to the power of n into dn y by dx to the power of n. This is the equation number 1. Look at here, a naught into x to the power of n into dn y by dx to the power of n. Substitute this term, right, a naught as it is. So we have, and also this is n minus 1 term, this is n minus 2 term, so on up to y. So look at this, the terms becomes a naught into d minus 1 into d minus 2, so on up to d minus n plus 1 into y. So in these terms y common, therefore take outside, therefore plus second term a1 into, this is nth term, this is n minus 1 term, therefore this becomes this term minus n plus 2 plus so on up to plus an into y is equal to f of x. This is a linear differential equation with constant coefficients, and we know we have already known to solve the linear differential equation with constant coefficients, and this can be solved by finding complementary function and particular integral in terms of z, right? And these are the references you can solve from these books also. You can. Thank you.